Hello, this is Ethan, and today I am going to show you the Lego Chima Bird. Wait, first, I'm going to show you, like, most Lego Chima things have, like, this different mode. This one is fly mode, where it goes like this, and then you can fly it around. And the Chime for the fire one, if you don't have a fire one, it is this orange Chime. If you have a nice one and you don't have a fire one, this is what it's the orange version of that. Put this back on. There's missiles for it too. I'd rather have it in fly mode to shoot out the missiles. It's easier.
Oh.
And that's how they shoot. Wait, I just need to really quickly put back on the claw. Okay. Now, if you want to load them back in, make sure like the point thing is at the top. That's where it pushes up, like that. Dad, can you hand me my other one? If you're wondering if the mouth, if the beak moves, it's only the head. There is these, which look pretty cool. But they would normally be normal white things, and then
what is it?
See, they would normally be normal white, but if you put on the sticker, it looks like that.
Okay.
I believe it goes there. Yep. Next, there's these like electric fire things on the side. And it goes out like this in fly mode. So it can like soar too. Better and stuff. So, when you put it down, it just comes back down. There is another claw. I do have another one, but I just didn't put it on. And then there's, wait, let me see. There's these air vent things. It's like kind of like, I'm not sure. There would be a seat right there, but it must have fell off, and I don't know where it landed in my ginormous Lego box. And when you fly it too, I would keep the claws straight instead of like all bent, and you go. It will fly probably better if you have it like that. And then when you put it down, make sure all the claws hit the ground, and then it rests like that. And I think that's all.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate this Lego creation?
10 being the best.
Do you like it? Do you think it was cool?
I would give it like a 9 or 10.
9 or 10?
Because it is pretty big and pretty cool. Of all the features that it has. The really thing that I don't really like is I wish the beak can open.
Was it hard to build?
Yes, really hard.
Yeah.
Me and my dad built it, and it took a while to finish it. It took us like 2 days. to build it. So I think that's all for the Lego Chima Bird. See ya.